Strategic leap, hypersonic bomber development set to reshape air superiority post-NGAD. Date, February 14, 2025. Overview. The development of hypersonic bombers, particularly the U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider, marks a significant strategic advancement in air superiority as military dynamics evolve to counter emerging threats primarily from China. The B-21 is positioned to be the cornerstone of U.S. long-range strike operations crafted to address the advancements in Chinese stealth aircraft and missile technology. 1. B-21 Raider's role and capabilities. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman, is a sixth-generation stealth bomber designed to replace aging bombers such as the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit. Its capabilities include advanced stealth technology. The B-21 can penetrate sophisticated enemy air defenses, including systems like China's HQ-9 and Russia's S-400. Thanks to its near-undetectable radar signature. Dual-capable missions. It is designed to deliver both nuclear and conventional munitions, bolstering U.S. deterrence strategies across various domains. Enhanced sensor fusion and AI integration. Equipped with advanced sensor systems and artificial intelligence, the B-21 can autonomously adapt to evolving threats in contested environments, enhancing its operational effectiveness. Extended range and in-flight refueling. The bomber's range and refueling capabilities enable it to project power deep into adversarial territories without reliance on vulnerable forward bases. 2. Responding to Chinese advancements. China's recent unveiling of next-generation stealth aircraft, including the J-36 fighter and H-20 strategic stealth bomber, has intensified the competitive landscape. Key points include J-36 fighter, expected to rival the US F-35. The J-36 is a twin-engine fighter that incorporates enhanced stealth features, sensor fusion, and long-range capabilities. H-20 bomber, designed to penetrate deep into enemy airspace. The H-20 challenges US strategic bombers and represents a leap in China's airpower ambitions. The introduction of the B-21 is a direct U.S. response to these advancements, intended to maintain air dominance and reassure allies amid a rapidly changing military environment. 3. Future developments and strategic importance. The B-21 is more than just a replacement for older platforms. It is integral to the broader Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. This program aims to develop advanced capabilities to complement the B-21, including unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs). These systems will work alongside the B-21 to enhance strike capabilities and situational awareness. Hypersonic weapons. The integration of hypersonic capabilities is vital for ensuring a strategic edge over adversaries. Modular open system architecture. This design allows for continuous upgrades, ensuring the B-21 remains effective against emerging threats. 4. Timeline of events. December 26, 2024, China unveils the J-36 and H-20, signaling a significant leap in its military aviation capabilities. January 2025, the U.S. Air Force conducts further flight testing and evaluations of the B-21 Raider, reinforcing its position in U.S. airpower strategy. February 2025, analysts highlight the strategic importance of the B-21 in countering China's advancements and maintaining U.S. capabilities amid increasing competition. Differences between sources. Source 1: Aviation Week discusses a secretive DARPA project focusing on hypersonic bombers, indicating a broader push within the U.S. defense community for advanced aircraft capabilities. Source 2: Army Recognition primarily details the B-21's strategic significance against the backdrop of China's military growth, emphasizing the need for modernization in U.S. airpower. Source 3: USNI News. While inaccessible, it likely contributes to understanding the overarching NGAD initiatives and how they align with the B-21's development. Conclusion. In summary, the B-21 Raider represents a pivotal shift in U.S. military strategy, seeking to counterbalance China's burgeoning air capabilities and ensure sustained air dominance in a rapidly changing global security environment. The development of hypersonic bombers like the B-21 is crucial for maintaining strategic deterrence and operational effectiveness in the face of growing threats. As the geopolitical landscape evolves, the U.S. commitment to air superiority is underscored by the B-21's capabilities, reaffirming the importance of continued investment in advanced military technologies to address emerging challenges. The content presents several counterintuitive pieces of information regarding the strategic implications of hypersonic bomber development, particularly the U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider, in the context of emerging military threats, especially from China. 1. Technological parity versus superiority. The narrative suggests that the U.S. maintains a significant technological edge over China in stealth bomber capabilities. However, the rapid advancements of Chinese military technology, particularly with the introduction of aircraft like the J-36 and H-20, indicate that the U.S. must not only innovate but also accelerate its deployment of new technologies. This challenges the assumption that U.S. technological superiority will remain unchallenged. 2. Stealth technology's evolving nature. While the B-21 Raider is highlighted as a sixth-generation stealth bomber capable of penetrating advanced air defense systems, the introduction of China's J-36 and H-20 indicates that stealth technology is becoming increasingly accessible and potentially less effective. This raises questions about the long-term viability of relying solely on stealth as a dominant factor in air superiority. 3. Modular open system architecture. The B-21's modular open system architecture is presented as a significant advantage for continuous upgrades. However, this could also imply that the aircraft could become a patchwork of technologies, potentially leading to integration challenges. The assumption that modularity inherently guarantees superiority may not hold true if the integration of various systems becomes cumbersome or inefficient. 4. Nuclear versus conventional capabilities. The B-21's dual-capable nature, nuclear and conventional, is seen as a strength for deterrence. However, this dual capability might complicate command and control protocols and political decision-making, particularly in a crisis where the use of nuclear capabilities could escalate tensions. The dichotomy between conventional and nuclear missions could create strategic ambiguities that adversaries might exploit. 5. Operational context of air superiority. The content suggests that the B-21 will ensure air dominance and operational effectiveness. However, the increasing sophistication of integrated air defense systems, particularly in adversarial nations, calls into question the efficacy of any single platform in achieving air superiority. This indicates that a multifaceted approach that integrates various assets may be required rather than relying on the capabilities of the B-21 alone. 6. Perception of threats. The urgency for the U.S. to modernize its fleet is framed as a direct response to China's military advancements. However, this could inadvertently signal a perception of vulnerability, potentially emboldening adversaries. The counterintuitive notion here is that efforts to solidify deterrence may actually provoke further aggressive posturing from rivals, creating a security dilemma. 7. Role of artificial intelligence. The B-21's integration of artificial intelligence is touted as a critical advancement. However, there is an inherent risk in over-reliance on AI systems, particularly in combat scenarios where human judgment may be necessary. The assumption that AI can effectively handle evolving battlefield dynamics could lead to unforeseen operational failures or miscalculations. 8. Strategic alliances. While the B-21 aims to reassure allies, the focus on a singular advanced platform could lead to a neglect of broader multilateral defense initiatives. The counterintuitive implication is that an overconcentration on one technology may weaken collective security arrangements, as allies may perceive a diminished role for their contributions in a U.S.-centric defense strategy. 9. Investment in complementary technologies. The emphasis on developing complementary technologies such as UCAVs and hypersonic weapons alongside the B-21 suggests a comprehensive modernization strategy. However, this could lead to resource allocation challenges where funds and attention are spread too thinly across various projects, potentially delaying the deployment of critical capabilities. 10. Global military dynamics. The notion that the B-21 can serve as a definitive solution to maintain U.S. air superiority ignores the complex geopolitical landscape. The rise of multipolarity in military power dynamics may require a more nuanced approach rather than a reliance on technological advancements alone. These counterintuitive points highlight the complexities and challenges inherent in the development of the B-21 Raider and the strategic environment it operates within, suggesting that a multifaceted approach and careful consideration of emerging trends will be crucial for maintaining air superiority in the future. The report on the development of hypersonic bombers, specifically the U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider, reveals several crucial aspects that many might overlook. Yet these details are significant for understanding the broader implications of military advancements in the context of U.S.-China relations and global air superiority. 1. Technological evolution and strategic deterrence. The B-21 Raider is not just a new aircraft. It represents a leap in military technology designed explicitly to counter advanced enemy capabilities, particularly from China. Its features such as enhanced stealth sensor fusion and artificial intelligence-driven systems are critical for maintaining a strategic deterrent. Many may focus solely on the aircraft's physical attributes, speed, payload, etc., but the integration of advanced technologies that enable autonomous threat adaptation is a game-changer. This capability allows the B-21 to operate effectively in environments where traditional tactics may fail, thereby preserving U.S. air dominance. 2. Modular open system architecture. The B-21's modular open system architecture is a significant detail that often gets overlooked. This design allows for continuous upgrades and the integration of new technologies as they become available. In a rapidly evolving military landscape where threats can emerge unexpectedly, having a platform that can adapt without a complete redesign is invaluable. This adaptability may not be immediately apparent to those focused on current capabilities, but it ensures the B-21 remains relevant against future threats, making it a long-term asset for the U.S. military. 3. Response to China's military advancements. The unveiling of China's J-36 and H-20 stealth aircraft highlights the urgency of the B-21's introduction. While many discussions focus on the specifics of these Chinese aircraft, the broader strategic context is crucial. The B-21 is not merely a response to existing capabilities but a proactive measure to counter potential future threats. The significance lies in the anticipation of adversarial advancements, which underscores a shift from reactive to proactive military strategies. This proactive stance is vital for maintaining a balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region, which is often overlooked amidst discussions of specific aircraft capabilities. 4. The role of unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs). Within the context of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, the B-21 will play a pivotal role alongside unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs) and hypersonic weapons. While the B-21 is often highlighted, the synergy it will create with these emerging technologies is significant. The integration of UCAVs into operations can enhance mission flexibility and force multipliers, allowing for more complex operations that can outmaneuver and outsmart adversaries. This interconnectedness is a key aspect of modern military strategy that may not receive sufficient attention in mainstream discussions. 5. Geopolitical implications. The geopolitical implications of the B-21's development extend beyond military capabilities. The aircraft serves as a symbol of U.S. commitment to its allies and partners in the Indo-Pacific, providing a tangible assurance against aggressive posturing from adversaries like China. This aspect is often overshadowed by technical specifications but is crucial for understanding the psychological and strategic ramifications of deploying advanced military technology. The B-21's presence can strengthen alliances and deter aggression, which is a fundamental aspect of U.S. foreign policy that deserves more emphasis. 6. Investment in complementary technologies. The report suggests that the U.S. must simultaneously invest in complementary technologies, including hypersonic weapons and electronic warfare systems, to maintain its strategic edge. While discussions typically center on individual platforms like the B-21, the interconnected nature of modern warfare means that neglecting these complementary systems could undermine the effectiveness of the B-21 itself. The ability to conduct integrated operations is increasingly important in air combat, yet this holistic view of military capability is often lost in more narrow analyses. 7. Long-term commitment to air superiority. Finally, the commitment to air superiority through the B-21 and NGAD initiatives reflects a long-term vision that may not be immediately apparent in short-term operational discussions. The emphasis on developing systems that can evolve with the military landscape indicates a strategic foresight that is essential for sustained dominance. Many may view the B-21 simply as a new aircraft in the fleet, but its implications for future military engagements and deterrence strategies highlight the need for a broader understanding of military evolution. Conclusion: the B-21 Raider is more than just a response to the immediate challenges posed by adversaries. It embodies a comprehensive strategy for maintaining air superiority in a complex and evolving geopolitical landscape. By recognizing the significance of its technological advancements, modular design, and the broader strategic context, one can appreciate how the B-21 will reshape military operations and international relations in the years to come. These nuances are vital for understanding the future of U.S. military strategy and the implications of hypersonic bomber development amid rising global tensions. 1. Technological superiority of the B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider embodies a significant leap in military aviation technology. Designed to counter advanced enemy air defenses and maintain U.S. air superiority, its advanced stealth capabilities allow it to operate undetected in heavily contested environments, crucial for penetrating sophisticated systems like China's HQ-9 and Russia's S-400. Additionally, the incorporation of artificial intelligence and enhanced sensor fusion enables the B-21 to autonomously adapt to evolving threats, ensuring operational effectiveness in dynamic combat situations. This technological edge is critical for the U.S. as it seeks to deter adversaries and reassure allies in increasingly volatile geopolitical landscapes. 2. Response to Chinese military advancements. The rapid development of China's military capabilities, particularly its new stealth aircraft such as the J-36 and H-20, has prompted the U.S. to accelerate its own modernization efforts. The B-21 Raider is positioned as a direct response to these advancements, intended to sustain U.S. dominance in the Indo-Pacific region. This competition reflects a broader strategic imperative for the U.S. to maintain its military edge and counterbalance China's growing influence. The B-21's multi-role capabilities, including its dual-capable nature for nuclear and conventional strikes, reinforce its role in ensuring credible deterrence against potential threats from China. 3. Integration within the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program. The B-21 Raider is not just an isolated development but a cornerstone of the broader NGAD program. This initiative aims to integrate advanced technologies including unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs) and hypersonic weapons into a cohesive strategy for future air dominance. The modular open system architecture of the B-21 allows for continuous upgrades and incorporation of emerging technologies, ensuring it remains relevant against evolving threats. This strategic foresight is essential for maintaining U.S. military superiority in the long term. As technological advancements in warfare become increasingly rapid and complex. 4. Geopolitical implications of air superiority. The development of the B-21 Raider and its role in U.S. military strategy have significant geopolitical implications. As the U.S. seeks to reassure allies and deter potential adversaries in the Indo-Pacific, the B-21 serves as a symbol of American commitment to maintaining global stability and security. The unveiling of China's advanced aircraft underscores the shifting balance of military power, highlighting the urgency for the U.S. to adapt its strategies and capabilities. The race for air dominance not only impacts military engagements but also shapes international relations and defense partnerships as nations navigate the complexities of power dynamics in a multipolar world. 1. The development of the U.S. B-52 Stratofortress 1950s. The B-52 Stratofortress was developed during the Cold War, serving as a long-range strategic bomber capable of delivering nuclear and conventional munitions. Its design was a strategic response to the Soviet Union's air capabilities, ensuring U.S. air superiority. The B-52's ability to carry a large payload over long distances and its adaptability through numerous upgrades have kept it relevant for decades, similar to how the B-21 Raider aims to maintain U.S. dominance in modern aerial warfare against emerging threats. 2. The introduction of the F-22 Raptor 2005. The F-22 Raptor was developed as a response to advancements in Russian and Chinese aircraft design, particularly in stealth technology and air combat capabilities. The F-22 is designed for air superiority with advanced stealth features, supercruise capabilities, and integrated avionics. Its introduction shifted the balance of power in air combat, paralleling the anticipated impact of the B-21 Raider in countering China's advancements in stealth aircraft and missile technology. 3. The development of the Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird 1960s. The State Route 71 Blackbird was conceived during the Cold War to conduct high-altitude reconnaissance missions operating at speeds exceeding Mach 3. Its development was a strategic necessity to gather intelligence over hostile territories while evading advanced air defense systems. The SR-71's technological innovations and operational capabilities set a precedent for future aerial platforms. Much like the B-21 Raider, is expected to redefine air superiority and long-range strike capabilities in the current geopolitical landscape. The future of air superiority is set to be significantly reshaped by the ongoing development of hypersonic bombers, most notably the U.S. Air Force's B-21 Raider. This aircraft not only represents a technological leap but also a strategic pivot in response to evolving military dynamics, particularly concerning China's advancements in stealth and missile technologies. Here's a detailed look at the future outlook for hypersonic bomber development and its implications for global military power. 1. Enhanced capabilities of the B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider, designed by Northrop Grumman, is anticipated to become the backbone of U.S. long-range strike capabilities. Its advanced stealth features, AI-driven systems, and modular architecture will allow it to perform complex missions in highly contested environments. As the B-21 undergoes rigorous testing and evaluation, it is expected to demonstrate unprecedented operational flexibility, enabling it to execute precision strikes while evading advanced enemy defenses. 2. Countering China's military expansion. In light of China's recent unveiling of next-generation stealth aircraft such as the J-36 fighter and H-20 strategic bomber, the B-21 will play a crucial role in maintaining U.S. air dominance. These Chinese advancements signify a shift in the balance of military power in the Indo-Pacific region. The B-21's ability to carry out operations deep within enemy territory without reliance on forward bases will be vital in countering China's expanding military capabilities and ensuring U.S. strategic interests are safeguarded. 3. Integration with Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. The B-21 is not an isolated platform, it is a key element of the broader NGAD program, which seeks to integrate manned and unmanned systems for enhanced operational effectiveness. The collaboration between the B-21 and future sixth-generation fighters, unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs, and hypersonic weapons will create a multi-domain operational framework that ensures a decisive edge over adversaries. This integration will allow for a more comprehensive approach to air superiority, leveraging advanced technologies to outmatch potential threats. 4. Continuous technological advancements. With its modular open system architecture, the B-21 is designed for continuous upgrades, meaning it can adapt to emerging threats and incorporate new technologies as they develop. This adaptability is crucial in a landscape where military technology is evolving rapidly. The U.S. is expected to invest heavily in research and development for hypersonic capabilities, artificial intelligence, and electronic warfare to ensure that the B-21 remains at the forefront of air combat technology. 5. Global geopolitical implications. The introduction of the B-21 Raider and similar hypersonic platforms will have significant geopolitical ramifications. As the U.S. enhances its air capabilities, it will likely reassure allies in the Indo-Pacific and beyond, bolstering collective defense strategies against potential aggressors. The strategic balance of power may shift as nations reassess their military capabilities and alliances in response to the advancements in U.S. military technology. 6. Potential arms race and international relations. The advancements in hypersonic bombers could trigger an arms race, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. Countries like China and Russia may accelerate their own military development programs to counter U.S. capabilities, leading to heightened tensions and an increasingly competitive security environment. This scenario underscores the necessity for diplomatic engagements and arms control discussions to mitigate the risks associated with an escalating arms race. 7. The role of artificial intelligence and automation. As air combat becomes more technologically advanced, the role of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems will be pivotal. The B-21's integration of AI for mission planning, threat assessment, and real-time decision-making will enhance its operational effectiveness. Future developments will likely focus on creating more autonomous platforms that can work alongside manned aircraft, reducing the risk to human pilots and increasing mission success rates. 8. The shift toward multi-domain operations. The future of air superiority will not solely rely on air power, it will necessitate comprehensive multi-domain operations that integrate land, sea, cyber, and space capabilities. The B-21 and its successors will be expected to operate in conjunction with other military branches, leveraging intelligence and resources across various domains to achieve strategic objectives. Conclusion. The development of hypersonic bombers like the B-21 Raider signifies a critical evolution in military strategy and airpower capabilities. As geopolitical tensions continue to rise, particularly with China's military advancements, the U.S. is poised to leverage these new technologies to maintain its air supremacy. The implications of these developments extend beyond military capabilities, affecting global security dynamics, international relations, and the potential for arms races. The next decade will be crucial in determining how these advancements shape the future of warfare and international stability.